In this video, I'm going to share a couple of tips on how you can control your breathing better so that you can eliminate some of the fear associated with public speaking. You know, when you're getting a little bit nervous when you're about to stand up and speak. I'm Lisa Evans from Speaking Savvy, and I help leaders, speakers, entrepreneurs globally to create powerful presentations with compelling business stories. So if you want to become a better public speaker, then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips. So in last video, I spoke about the ABC of managing nervousness when you speak. I want to break down the B part, which is the breathing. So we can't control our heart rate, you know, we can't control our butterflies in our tummy and some of those other normal physiological responses that happen to us when we suddenly get nervous, because that's the natural fight or flight response. But something that we can always control is our breathing. So if you find that you get super nervous as you're about to get up and speak in front of an audience, then just practice a simple controlled breathing technique, and it does two things. First of all, it gets more oxygen into your body, which is a good thing, and secondly, it provides a little bit of a distraction tool, which works wonders when you are thinking so much about getting up to speak. So one that I use, which is super simple, is called the square breathing technique. So imagine that you have a square frame in front of your face. And if nobody's around, often I will do this with my hands, but if there's people around, I just do it in my head. And what you are going to do is you are going to adopt a breathing cycle that follows each of the sides of the square. So starting off in one corner, we will breathe in for 4, 2, 3, 4. We will then hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. We will breathe out for 4, 2, 3, 4, and then we will hold 3, 4. So we've then made a square shape and we've adopted a really nice controlled breathing technique. Another one that I'll share with you is the 4-6-8 breathing technique. So as the numbers suggest, we're going to be adopting that pattern for our breathing cycle. So we're breathing in for 4. We then hold for 6, 4, 5, 6, and then we breathe out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the breathing out is much longer, twice as long as the breathing in, and there's a good reason for that, because when we get nervous, what we tend to do is we suck in air and we're not exhaling properly. So we need to make sure that we're getting rid of the carbon dioxide in our body so that we can inhale fully again and fill up our lungs and our brain with some lovely, clean, good oxygen. So next time you feel nervous about speaking in public, just as you're waiting to step up and speak, adopt a simple, controlled breathing technique. If you want to plan your next successful speech, download my speech planning template. It's in the link below. I look forward to seeing you on the video next week. Bye for now.